In the quiet of 17th-century England, amidst war, plague, and political unrest, a solitary figure was about to change the course of human understanding forever. This is the story of Sir Isaac Newton, mathematician, physicist, astronomer, and alchemist, whose mind unlocked the secrets of the universe. The early years. Born prematurely on Christmas Day, 1642, in Woolsthorpe, England, Isaac Newton was not expected to survive. Yet, he grew into one of the most brilliant thinkers the world has ever known. A reclusive child, Newton spent much of his youth lost in thought, building mechanical devices and recording his observations of the world around him. Cambridge and the Plague. In 1661, Newton entered Trinity College at Cambridge University. But just 4 years later, the Great Plague forced the university to shut its doors. Newton returned home, and it was during this period of isolation that he experienced what he later called his Year of Wonders. It was then that he developed the foundation for calculus, formulated his laws of motion, and conceptualized the law of universal gravitation, all before the age of 25. The law of universal gravitation. Legend tells of an apple falling from a tree. While the story may be romanticized, the idea it sparked was profound. Newton realized that the same force that causes an apple to fall also governs the motion of the planets. His law of universal gravitation unified the heavens and the earth in one grand equation. Optics and light. Newton's curiosity extended beyond gravity. He conducted groundbreaking experiments with light and color, demonstrating that white light is composed of the full spectrum of colors. Using prisms and lenses, he built the first practical reflecting telescope, changing the way astronomers observe the cosmos. The Principia Mathematica. In 1687, Newton published Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, a work often described as the single most influential book in the history of science. Within its pages, Newton outlined the 3 laws of motion and a comprehensive framework that governs celestial and terrestrial mechanics. Legacy and influence. Knighted by Queen, and in 1705, Newton went on to lead the Royal Mint and the Royal Society. He lived a long life, and when he passed away in 1727, he was buried in Westminster Abbey, a rare honor for a scientist. His ideas laid the foundation for classical physics and dominated scientific thought for over 2 centuries, until the advent of Einstein's theory of relativity. Yet, even today, Newton's work remains at the core of engineering, astronomy, and physics. Isaac Newton once wrote, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants."